Hello friends, AJAX tutorial using PHP MySQLi. In this video I will explain how to edit records from database using AJAX, jQuery, PHP, MySQLi. Last few video I already show you how to make a listing using the AJAX, how to create a new user using the AJAX. So in this video we can make like here edit button and we can edit for specific records. So let's show you the first code so you can understand easily. Suppose anybody can follow this series, so he know. Okay, so let's here's the listings. So you can see it's here's the get data function for the AJAX. So you can get the data inside function.php. So you go to function.php. Here we have created for listings for this records, and here you can see the comping files. So you can see the connection database, and let's see. Go to back again to function. Here you can see it like a adds. Okay. So now we need to do here action inside. We need to make another column edit. So you need to edit the record for specific record. So you click on the edit. So we need to open same like pop-up edit user, and inside autofill you can find out the informations, and after you click on the updates, so save and automatic you can find out the latest data here. So let's start. Okay, so first of all we need to add like edit button. So let's go to your function.php, and here you can create one new column like otherwise button, whatever you like, buttons class btn primary. Here you can type edits, here just close the button, and we also like edit, we need to pass another class edit record. Here we can pass id, so we know which id again we need to edit, and also we need to find the data first, this id against data. So let's copy and put here, you can add here id. Okay, so let's refresh the page and checks showing, not showing. So you can see it, we have refreshed the page, so you can show in the edit button. Okay, now edit button not working, you can see it. Now I will click on the edit button, so same like this pop-up open, we need to autofill all the data. Okay, so let's create a edit click event. So edit records, go to index files inside, just we can copy, let's not copy, let's make one by one. Body dot delegate edit class and click event, clicks functions closed. Okay, now I can get here id, go to id $this dot attribute id, because we have already passed here one id, means this is the attributes id, we are getting this attribute value inside jQuery. Let's make the alert so you can understand. Alert id. Let's back to browser and refresh the page and click on the edit buttons. So you can see it 14, you can see it 12, you can see it here, this is the id we are getting. So this is the id data we need to get using this server. So let's create one AJAX and get this data. So let's back to code again and just copy, I think this is the we can copy and put here. Okay, and here we can change the function add to edit. Here just pass the add to edits, and serialized data we need to remove, we don't need, just pass here id dot id. Data JSON, just remove this all the data we don't need now. Let's go to function.php. Inside this is the listing, this is the ads, and now we need to create another else if. So let's copy, so we don't want to take more time, so edit. Okay, inside script, let's make now printer $post. Okay, let's refresh the page and check data getting cannot getting. I open the spec element using the F12, I click on the edit, so you can see it, here is the AJAX calling functions.php type is equal to edit, because we have passed get method type. So go to response, so you can see it, we are getting the id. Suppose I click here 13, so also you can getting the here id. Okay, now we need to write a SQL query and get for this data. So just unlock this ones and copy like all part and put here. Okay, after just need these lines and remove the other part, we don't need it. Okay, so here we are making the one query where where id is equal to $post id. And this is the SQL query we have passed here, and this is the result we have passed inside face association. So let's make a printer, and we are getting the data, not getting the data. So I can show you, and we can make that, and also make this line comment. Okay, let's go back again, refresh the page, and okay, something error there. Let's refresh the page and check what's the error there. Here printer, okay, printer spelling mistake something. Let's go back and check. Okay, we have not passed here semicolon, this reason. Go to browser, refresh the page. So let's click on the edit button. So you can see it here, id is equal to 30, name, email, mobile, address, created dates. We are getting all the data about only for this row 13. Same like I will click here the 10 row. So you can see Lara rows with email address. So this is the data we need to show like this form. So let's go back again code, and we can pass the data using JSON. So just you can type like that $id okay, saying like name, so take part your name, email, I think so, mobiles and address. So just copy and put here mobiles, and last one is the address. Okay, this is the data we have passed inside JSON. Okay, let's click on the edit button, because we don't need to refresh the page, because this is the auto refresh bar. So let's click on the edit button, so you can see it here. We have get the data inside response, name, email, mobile, and address. Okay, let's back to code again. Inside going to index.php files, and here we have already made a database connection. So do you want to see the database connection? Just I can show you. You can see localhost root AJAX tutorial. This is the database we have there here, like AJAX tutorials. Inside we have created like user tables, so you can see it here. Okay, now and also we have made a here connection database. So database connection not there, so showing the error here. Okay, now back again index.php file. Just we need to copy this form like models, and like here we can put like edit users, and here just pass like the edit users, and I can pass here $dot model dot show. And let's make the spelling mistakes. I go back and I refresh the page, and I click on the edit. So you can see it, form is open, but we have no any data here, whatever we edit. So let's go to back again code, and we need to make all the id, like id is equal to get name, get email, get mobiles, and get address. So let's change mobiles, emails, and last one is the address. Okay, now it's good. And also we need to make inside one hidden field need, we can pass id. So get id, and we need to remove the all other things. Text pass here id, and here the type equal text to hidden, because we don't need to show this ID. Let's first I can show you after we can make hidden. Okay, so let's go and we can type here function dollar get ID where data dot id, because this is the JSON inside you can found the response. So you can see it here, data dot id, name, email, mobile address. So let's go back again, just put 4 times name, so you can pass here get names, after get mobile, so you can pass here get mobiles, anything else like get email, so also you can pass here get email, and here you can change the name email, because this is the name about the JSON column name, JSON column address. Okay, now you can see it, we have passed all the data to here. So let's save page and back to browser and refresh the page, and you click on the edit, so you can see it like a 13th, so it's 13th. Also you can see name, email, mobile and address, same like we can do it like a 10, so you can see it only 10 data found. So we don't need to show this field, so let's make a just make a hidden. So type is equal to going to, you can type here hidden, hidden. Okay, now this is the form, submit form, so let's make to update form. Okay, now here you can change to name submit to update, and now go back down and let's copy to submit form code, we can copy and put here update form function. Here you can see we don't need to refresh the page, this will prevent default, tab is equal to post dollar this serialize, this means this is the class, means this is the id means this is the like a form id, you can see it here. Okay, and we also did submit event, like submit, let's minimize, so you can see it here submit event for this type is equal to submit. So you click on the button, so call this AJAX, and here type is equal to, we can change to update, and we need like data.json, so we need to show JSONs, and also we need to do like edit model, we need to hide, so just make here edit model here hide, and get data, we need to get the latest data. Let's remove this part after I can, let's make a comment for you, so I can show you one by one. Okay, so let's go to function.php, and inside we need to create another function like a else if update. Okay, let's go to insert like add and copy all things and put here. So here just we need to change to update query. So what we need to do, just go to your database and go to SQL, just click on the updates, so you get this query, and back go to your code back and remove this all the parts. Now just change the query, set id we don't need to update, so id just remove here, name, so name we are getting inside $post, I can show you one by one, don't worry. $post is equal to name, because this is the name we have typed here, you can see it here. Same like we can do it like email. Okay, 1 minute is not copy properly, I copy and I put here, same like mobile we can do it, and same like we can do it address. And create date we don't need, just remove, and here we can make where id is equal to, let's copy and put here $post id. So here you can see like an update query, and once is the update query working very well, so $connection, database connection, inside query, inside you can pass SQL, and after showing the record successfully updated. And otherwise showing due to some error, please try again. I can show you one time. Okay, I can print car here first, $post, here make die. Now go to back browsers, refresh the page, I click on the edits, I click on the update function. So you can see one AJAX call for update, and here we will get the all the data about. Let's make like here change. I change the data out. I click on the update, click on, so you can see like here is a name, email means email, and mobile mobile. I don't worry about that, whatever here there. Address means address. Okay, now we can back to code again and just remove these lines. So I have already write the update query. So let's go to the browsers and click on the updates. Record successfully updated. You can check it response here. You can see it, but we need to refresh the page so you can find here data. So you can, let's make a first one update so you can easily understand. Like I can type here 1 1 1. I think we have made a one mistake also. Let's go to backward again, and we just change to name to all the field, name, email, mobiles, and address. So whatever field you write, this is the change. Go to back browsers, again autofills, and I click on the updates, and I refresh. So please refresh. You can check this is the record is updated. Let's make again. I can type like 111. I can type mobile number like 1 2 3 4 5 6. Here I can type like this, and here I can type like this. Click the updates, and data is updated. Let's refresh the page so I can show you. You can see data is updated, but we don't want to refresh the page. Automatic data here need to update. So just go to back again code, and let's show you the code. Just go to back again code, go to index.php file. We have already made one comment code, just uncomment, because this is the get data function I already create. So here is the get data functions, type is equal to list, inside going to functions, and function inside you can see it here all the record how to get. Okay, let's go back again and refresh the page. I click on the edits, and I can change like 1 2 3 other field I am not changing. I click on the update, so records are fully updated, and I click on the OK. So you can check is an automatic change without refresh. Same like you can check like this ones, like here I can type like 111, and I click on the update, so you can see it like update. Also let's try this one, all the fields, like here I can type Lara, here just type Lara, mobile number I can type like this, address whatever I can type, so you can see it. You can see it change the work very well. You can see it like. So in this video I will show you how to make an edit using the AJAX to get data, and how to update data using the AJAX. So I can show you again all the code so you can see it. Oh sorry, where is the code? Okay, here. So you can see it here, like update functions, edit functions, and in function inside you can see it, we have added this is the ID, means the one button, edit button. Also we write like edit and update code here, and also you can see it here database connection, because we already did here. So do you want to like this video? So please like, and do you want to see like this more videos? So please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.